Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your laptop OS and collecting recovery tools so the reset process matches system expectations. Once done, log into any available admin account or plug in your recovery USB. This avoids lockouts. Make sure your recovery phone or email is accessible to receive codes. You're taking these steps to prevent data loss and to ensure the system accepts the new credential. Now proceed immediately to the account-specific reset method for your installed OS. You perform the middle steps tailored to your OS because each system stores credentials differently. For Windows, sign in with your Microsoft account or use a recovery key. For Mac OS, boot recovery and use the reset password utility or your Apple ID to authenticate. For Linux, drop to single-user mode or mount a live USB to safely edit the /etc/shadow entry or add a sudo user. Make sure to follow prompts, verify permissions, and reboot after the change so the system accepts the new password. You finish by rebooting and testing the new password to confirm access and admin rights. This verifies the reset completed correctly. Once signed in, re-enable disk encryption like BitLocker or FileVault and reconnect your cloud backups so data stays protected. Make sure password manager entries are updated to avoid future confusion. If you still can't access the account, use the recovery key or safe boot to retry, or contact manufacturer support for authenticated assistance. That troubleshooting tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.